Quick update. I'm still gathering all the parts and the tools for me to start the transmission replacement job. And I got the manual, got some boards to keep the engine supported or extra support. Got my jack stands, got my clutch, got some stuff from the Mazda dealer. Oh, got some special grease, everything. And also, this is a transmission I'm gonna use, the 93 Ford Pro GT transmission. And I checked all the sensors with my ohm meter and they're all working, the shifting's working, everything looks good. But I can't get the darn CV axle out, so I'm gonna bring that to a local shop this Wednesday, and see if they can get it out. So just a quick update. Thanks all. The rest of this video includes me visiting the once a month car show here in Atlanta. It's a huge car show. And I always go every so often to try to see if I do ever come across any Ford Probe GTs or actually any Ford Probes at all. So enjoy, and maybe I'll find one or not. We'll see. Thank you.